What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys some delicious shrimp Aladiabla. And if you want to know how to make this delicious, easy recipe, so stay tuned, you guys, and I'll show you how. Okay, you guys, so let's get started now. So this right here are gonna be my ingredients. These are chile guajillo. I got like 5 of those. Here I have 4 chiles de árbol, 1 Roman tomato. Here I have 3 cloves of garlic and like a pinch of pepper. So there it is, you guys. This is everything I'm gonna use for my shrimp Aladiabla. So the reason they look like that is because I fried them for a little bit in oil. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the chile guajillos in water so they can soften up a little bit, and then throw all of this in the blender. Okay, you guys, so what you want to do, add a little bit of water into a pan and put your chile guajillos in here. And bring those to a boil. Okay, you guys, so the guajillos done. I'm gonna put them in here. Okay, you guys, so drain the guajillos. Okay, you guys, so what we want to do, put the guajillos in the blender. The tomatoes. Red peppers. Three cloves, pepper, and some sea salt. Just like that, you guys. If you guys don't like it too salty, then add as much as you guys, whatever you feel you're comfortable with. Guys, so I'm gonna put the broth from where I cooked the guajillos. It's about 2 cups. Just like that, you guys. Okay, you guys, so it's done. And a pound and a half of shrimp. And you can see right here, you guys, I added some scallops. This is optional, so this is the way I like it, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so when you guys get to this step, make sure your shrimp is nice and rinsed. And I already removed the veins. So now what you want to do, okay, you guys, so now what you want to do is preheat your pan. And what you want to do is throw 2 tablespoons of butter and just wait for it to melt down. Okay, you guys, so now that our butter has melted, I'm going to go ahead and throw the shrimp in here. So I'm going to dump my shrimp in here. I'm gonna add some black pepper. And a little bit of sea salt. Just like that, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna let the shrimp cook for a couple minutes. Okay, you guys, so the shrimp is cooked already. Been cooking for a few minutes. The shrimp cooks pretty fast. So I'm just gonna put it on the side right now so I don't overcook. So I'm gonna put them to the side right now, you guys. So now let's go to the sauce. You guys, so I added a little bit of oil. You wanna preheat your pan at medium high. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain the sauce. I don't like the little chunks of chile. Okay, you guys, so I strained off the salsa already. Look at that, you guys. Woo-wee. So now what you want to do, dump your shrimp in here. Just like that, you guys. Just mix it up. So I'm gonna let that come to a boil and then let it simmer for like 3 minutes, you guys. So there it is, you guys. Now you just turn it off and let it sit for like 3 minutes, and the camarones Aladiabla all done, you guys. Time to serve. Okay, you guys, we're back. So now it's time to serve. I made some homemade rice. So if you guys want me to show you how to make some homemade rice, please leave a comment. Put some rice. Ooh-wee. Look at that, you guys. Just like that. So there it is. Now you could eat these with tortillas, but I like to eat my stuff like this with some chips on the side, you guys. Just like that. Woo-wee. Damn. Make sure you guys leave a like. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If not, well, thank you anyways for watching my videos. And stay tuned, you guys.